Bent condenser coil fins can seriously mess with your air conditioner's performance, so you want to fix them right away to keep things running smooth and save on your energy bill. Alright, here's the deal with straightening those fins. First off, you gotta find a fin comb, which is like a special tool made just for this job. Make sure your AC unit is turned off before you even touch anything. Safety first, you know? Next, gently brush the comb over the bent fins in the direction they're supposed to go. Don't rush this part or push too hard. Those fins are super thin and can break if you're rough. If the fins are only a little bent, a light touch is all it takes to get them back in shape. For fins that are really mangled, take it slow and straighten them out bit by bit to avoid causing more damage. Keep in mind that keeping your condenser coil clean will help prevent future bending. Lastly, do this maintenance once or twice a year to keep your air conditioner working efficiently and avoid costly repairs. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing condenser coil fins is using the wrong tools, like screwdrivers or knives, which can tear the fins instead of straightening them. Always use a fin comb designed for this job to avoid that problem. Another common issue is not turning off the power before starting, which is super risky because you could get shocked or damage the unit. The fix? Always shut off your AC at the breaker box first. The third mistake is rushing through the process and bending the fins back too fast or too hard, which can cause them to snap off, making your situation worse. Take your time, be gentle, and work methodically to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it's great for contractors since it connects them with people looking for quality work, making it easier to grow their business.